Thank you for joining Wars of the Roses, and this is Baden from the Encyclopedia of Freemasonry by Albert G. Mackey. Baden. In 1778, the lodge, Karl of Unity, was established in Mannheim, which at that time belonged to Bavaria. In 1785, an electoral decree was issued prohibiting all secret meetings in Bavarian Palatinate, and the lodge was closed. In 1803, Mannheim was transferred to the Grand Duchy of Baden, and in 1805, the lodge was reopened, and in the following year accepted a warrant from the Grand Orient of France and took the name of Karl of Concord. Then it converted itself into the Grand Orient of Baden and was acknowledged as such by the Grand Orient of France in 1809. Lodges were established at Busan, Heidelberg, and Mannheim, and the Grand Orient of Baden ruled over them until 1813, when all secret societies were again prohibited, and it was not until 1846 that Masonic activity recommenced in Baden, when the Lodge of Karl of Concord was awakened. There is no longer a Grand Orient of Baden, but the lodges in Duchy, of which several have been established, are under the Grand National Mother Lodge of the Three Globes in Berlin. ELH. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to share, like, subscribe, and comment. And if you can, please consider donating to Wars of the Roses. Links to PayPal and Patreon are in the description. Thank you so very much.